Sometimes we are waiting for a specific moment. Sometimes we are expecting to receive a big call. Sometimes we are doubting about the call that we have. Sometimes we don't want to receive because if I receive a call, I have to do everything according to the leaders or the pastors or the elders. And I know how they are. But the call is not to work and to do things according to, it's to be according to God's call. That is why we as leaders, we want to make you an invitation. What are you willing to give to God? What are you willing to give? What is in your hands? What? Do you have ideas? Do you have ideas how to work with this church? Do you have ideas how to make improvement with the elders team? With the youth? With the health? If you have ideas, so make a meeting together. Join the business meeting. Let's, Pastor, I have this one, let's talk together. We are open to that. If you have ideas. Do you have skills? Do you like to sing? Do you like to talk? Do you like to read the Bible every day? Why not to make a group? So everything that you have can be used for God, to serve God, and to serve the church. What are you willing to give? What do you have in your hands? My brother and sister, common tools, normal talents, common ideas in God's hands become a weapon to serve in God's purposes. I'm willing, and I hope that this coming year, I would like to see more people taking my place. Why not Joseph preaching here? Why not young people preaching here? Why not more people? We have to work with. And the idea is to make the church more dynamic, more active. I don't know, my brother and sister, what is your answer to these questions? What are you willing to give? What is that in your hands?